Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp green screen problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, and then go to the search and search on WhatsApp, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Bluetooth off and turn it on, or turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the documents and all the files and the messages and the chats will be deleted, so be careful if you wanna clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.